Hi, my name is Jeff Soderbeck, and I am the store manager of the Chisago City TGK. I chose automotive industry about 25 years ago just because it's something I was learning how to fix cars on my own, and eventually I wanted to sell products to customers and just get into the industry and help customers fix their cars. Here at TGK in Chisago, we have a really good team of about 6 guys. We all aim and strive to fix cars right the first time. We do digital vehicle inspections that make the inspection process very easy for our customers, showing pictures of the good things and the not so good things. And being that I live locally here, I live about a half mile from the store, small knit community. Word of mouth is very, very big around here. We do a lot of things for the community. We sponsor hockey teams. We're in a parade for a local festival every year and have a booth, and word of mouth is big, and we get a lot of customers that come in just off of that. But just the fact that what they do to support the community is by far one of the best things I think that goes on up here in Chisago. Some of our values here are to treat every client with respect and to inspect the vehicles to the best of our abilities, to let them know what we think is suggested, what we think they should do right away, what can wait. To clients that have never been to the store, I encourage you to stop in and give us a try. You'll feel right at home here with our digital inspections. I'm sure you'll really like it. It's very transparent on there, and then we'll do our best to answer any questions you may have, and hopefully get you to come back. And we got a lot of clients that love everything off the bat and come back the next time. And just like our motto says, we want to earn your business by earning your trust, and that's what we'd like to do to you.
TGK Automotive, earning your business by earning your trust.